Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your TIA portal license. This is a straightforward process that ensures your software runs smoothly. We will primarily use the Automation License Manager, a dedicated tool for handling Siemens licenses. It is important to have your license key readily available, often provided on a USB memory stick. The goal is to transfer this license from the stick directly to your computer's hard drive. To begin, plug your USB license stick into an available port on your computer. Next, locate and open the Automation License Manager application. You can usually find this by searching in your Windows Start menu under the Siemens Automation folder. Once opened, the manager will provide an overview, showing any licenses currently installed on your system's hard drives. Within the Automation License Manager, navigate to the left-hand pane and select the USB drive where your license key is stored. Then, on the right, choose the specific license you intend to activate. From the License Key menu, select the Transfer option. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to select your computer's hard drive, typically the C drive, as the destination for the license transfer. Confirm your selection to proceed. After the transfer is complete, select your computer's hard drive within the Automation License Manager to confirm that your license now resides there. You can then close the manager and open TIA Portal. The software should now launch without any license-related errors, indicating successful activation. Remember, if you are using a trial version, it typically provides full functionality for 21 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.